Hey guys, this is Jared James Pedersen here from the road down here in LA. Had an amazing drive down here, got to stop in all the right places, connect with all the right people, and have some wonderful experiences on the way, and really appreciating the scenery, the drive, the experience. And what I want to share with you today is really all about following the flow and having the right attitude as we go through our days. And it really can make something like a 6+ hour drive be much more enjoyable, much more pleasurable, and really you'll meet the right people, or you'll be led to the right places when you have the right attitude, when you have a positive attitude and you know things are just working out to your advantage, and that you know you're incredibly lucky and blessed and that you are creating that. Wonderful things will continue to show up and happen in your life, even if it's the smallest things, or you smiling at someone, making their day. Some random person at some place you may have thought you'd never go, or you may not go again ever, but just by you having a positive attitude and sharing that energy with other people can inspire them, can make their day, and who knows what can happen from there. So I want to encourage you to really focus on, being happier throughout the day, no matter what's happening, because it will help you, no matter what situation you're in. It'll help you be happier and have a better experience doing that. So happy to share this video with you. Stay tuned for my next videos coming up. Gonna be some great information coming through. So be sure to stay tuned. Post a comment below if you have a great experience of in flow or having the right attitude and good things happening to you. I'd love to hear that as well, so go ahead and post a comment below. I look forward to sharing more with you, and have a beautiful day. I'll talk with you soon. Peace.